So this is how we'll make a dress. To make this the boat neck, we fold our bukram this way. Follow the exact method how I've shown it. The same way you'll fold the bukram, and the length would be 3 inches. The width of this bukram would be 5 inches. Now shape the neck. It will be, you can make it steep or narrower as you want. Give it shape, and here we'll be cutting the neck. From this point to this point, it will be same exactly 3 inches. I'm keeping it 3 inches. You can keep it at least 1 inch. And then mark the outer line. We'll cut on these lines. This way our front and back neck would be same. Now we place this neck on a fabric, the wrong side of the fabric, and fold the corners on the bukram and stitch so that all our corners, the edges would be even, and whatever would be the extra fabric, we can cut that off. Place this neck in middle of your fabric so that half of the neck would be towards the back side of the dress and half of the neck would be towards the front side of the dress. And then parallel to the bukram inside, don't stitch on the bukram, stitch on the fabric only and give it a shape, stitch all around it. You can use the pins if you need to. Once you have stitched all around this bukram, then mark 1/4 of an inch away from this stitch and we'll be cutting on this line. You can start from the inside and then cut on this line itself. Keep a small cut on the corners, but that should be too small, not very long, because you don't have to cut on the stitch. You have to cut on the fabric only, that only, just to make sure that the neck could be easily turned towards the back side. If you want, you can use this method reverse also, like you can turn it, you can start stitching it from the back side and then turn it to the right side, or vice versa. Now you remove the pins and turn this neck inside. You can press it for a good finishing, and then on the edges you can make a top stitch, and inside the folded thing you can hem or make a top stitch this way, and you can tie it. So do like